Hey, what's going on, Beezies? What's up? Oh, let me turn off this. Turn off all noise so you guys can hear me. What's up, Beezies? What's going on? It's time for another mukbang. I just know it's time for lunch. I ordered City Bird today, so I got me 6 tenders and some fries, and then their hot honey sauce. I'm gonna take my thumbnails, go get you something to eat, and then you can sit with me because you can sit at this table. You can sit with D and eat. Today, DBZ does City Bird. Yum. Look, I even cut my hair. I like it. I like it. I normally wear my hair cut short, but it was the winter time, so I had to wear it long because it was cold. That's extra covering. No extra covering. But let me stop talking because I'm hungry. I'm going to take some thumbnails, say my prayers, and let's get to eat. Thank you, Jesus, for this food I'm about to receive to nourish my body. Amen. Time to eat. Time to eat. It's time to eat. Time to eat. Go ahead. Do that. I'm going to give y'all a bite. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Did I say my prayers? I said that too quick. Thank you, Jesus, for this food I'm about to receive to nourish my bodies. Please bless the hand that made it. Thanks to DoorDasher that brought it. Amen. Here, some honey sauce to put it. Look at that. Honey sauce is good. How's everybody been doing today? Me, I'm just fine. Need a little bit of ketchup for my fries. Yeah, a little seasoning on here too. Yeah, see? I think it's Parmesan. But it's good. Having me some tenders today, some chicken tenders. Comment down below what you're eating for lunch. I might want to try it. See if I got some ketchup. Be right back. Found some. I'm back. Found some ketchup. Pour it on there. I don't feel like dipping today. Plus, I only got one packet. So, we gotta make it work. Good. Using that honey on every time. Got some good cold water. Refreshing. I didn't think I'd be this hungry. I'm starving. Should have some extra sauce because I'm running low. And y'all know I like dipping. Finger looking good. called City Bird. They sell tenders, salad, and chicken sandwiches, but they're most popular for their chicken tenders, which are seasoned so good. If it's not worth the money or yummy for the tummy, I think I've already told you. It's yummy for the tummy. It's yummy for the tummy. It's yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy, tummy, tummy. It's yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy, tummy, tummy. Mm-mm-mm. I want to do a hot pot mukbang. And I know there's a hot pot restaurant here in the city. It's on the other side of town, so I just have to make time to make it over there. So I can do that mukbang. Oh, that good cold water. I only got 6 tenders today. I'm gonna get 10. Look. That'd have been too much. Look at that. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Drizzle. Look at them jaws moving. This food is delicious. I'm not a singer, but y'all know I normally dance when I enjoy my food. This the food you dance to. No dancing at the table. But it's too good. My fries are almost gone. And it was so hot. My tenders are gone after this one. Bon appetit. Getting stuff on my shirt. God, this was the quickest video ever. The absolute quickest. All my tenders are gone. And they were amazing. Okay. Alright. May not be the finger looking good restaurant, but these were finger looking good. City Bird. City Bird. Wow. That was good. If y'all, I don't know. That was good. I'm done eating. Thanks for joining me for lunch today. And make sure you comment down below on what you had for lunch today so you can give me some ideas of some different things to eat. Thank you for sitting at my table. Because you can always sit with me. You can always sit with me. You can always sit with me. Delicious. Well, I guess I'm done eating and I'm gonna go ahead and go back to work. But thanks for having lunch with me today. But also don't forget to tell a friend so they can tell their friends to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share so everybody can know what DBZ does. Ouch. Because today DBZ did City Bird and it was good. It was yummy for the tummy. I already did the dance. Thank you for joining me for lunch. Come back next time so we can have something different. I don't know what I'm going to have, but it's going to be something scrumptious. Hopefully. I'm going to continue to try new restaurants so I can let everybody know how everything tastes. Also, don't forget the #1 motto. Make your haters your motivator and keep God first. Love ya. Bye. Bye, guys. Thanks for joining me for lunch today.